Hi guys, I'm going to unbox this days. So cute. So we're gonna start in the taas.
Mama!
Of course. Just gonna. Yes. So I just.
No. Look her. Look at her.
It's just hot spray, but so tickles.
Any purple. Just close to sleep. Then we get a Lego. Hey. I'm just gonna.
It's so nice. I like it.
You hurt? You hurt? Firstly. You hurt?
Oh.
Patingin nga ano ginagawa.
Tawag ko yun. Ooh. So hard to open. Yeah.
Yung scissor, oh.
Mama.
I got a scissor here.
Hindi mabuksan. Hindi mabuksan.
Ay, hindi yan nabubuksan. Kahit.
I always want this one. So, this is what I want too. I like this. Open this.
Mama, bakit talaga?
Hindi naman niya nakita yun, Kyra, eh.
Okay, this is what I'm gonna open.
Yung mapangit, pangit naman maganda. Diba, favorite niya yung pink?
Bye guys.